Sammy, you want to show Mommy what you did while Callie was making your bottle? Did you climb up on the door all by yourself? Huh? Sam. Hi. You're just so proud of yourself. Can you see outside? Yeah. You're just so big now. You gonna get down? Oh no. I'm talking to Maddie. Grab the blinds. Good job, Sam. Hi. You're such a big boy. Let's say pretty soon we're going to be standing all by ourselves and walking. 9 months old today. Look at that. Up! Fall down. Good job. Good job.